Many people try to learn every CAD tool before building something. I used to learn CAD that way too. In SolidWorks, Rhino, and SketchUp, I spend a lot of time learning the tools first, studying the functions, going through the features one by one. But when I started learning FreeCAD, I did something different. I didn't try to master all the tools up front. I just jumped straight into creating 3D models. Then I learned the common tools by building 9 pieces from scratch. I recorded every step and shared the videos on YouTube. You can find them in this playlist. When I began, I picked a very basic object. I didn't fully understand the SketchUp. I didn't know all the part design features. But I studied anyway. I created a sketch. I used the polyline, circle and line tool, and the constraint tools. Then extruded. I wasn't learning tools in isolation. I was learning them in context. After that, FreeCAD felt natural. I didn't know every tool, but I knew how to find what I needed. That became my method. Whenever I hit a limitation, when I wanted to create something and didn't know how to do it, like how to fix error while it's not closed, I'd search for exactly that problem, and then I applied it right away, one problem at a time, and every new feature I learned was immediately applied to my model. There was no theory without practice. As my project became slightly more complex, I naturally encountered more advanced concepts. At some point, I needed symmetry, so I learned mirror features. Then I needed repetition, so I discovered linear patterns. Later, I needed reference geometry, so I learned about datum planes. The order wasn't random, it was driven by necessity. Now I want to be clear. This doesn't mean you ignore fundamentals. You still need to understand the basic workflow, sketch, feature, and body. You must understand the full constraint sketches. You must respect the parametric logic. Without that foundation, jumping into projects can be frustrating. So I'm not saying don't learn the basics. I'm saying learn the basics in context. So if you are starting CAD, here is my suggestion. Pick something simple, start building, or you can follow along with my project and build together with me. When you hit a problem, learn exactly what you need, apply it immediately, then repeat. You don't need to know everything before you begin. Sometimes, the fastest way to learn is to create first, and let necessity guide the rest.